Hi, students. Every semester, we get questions from students asking how they should go about studying for the PACE exam. And I think before you begin to study, it's important that you understand exactly what the PACE exam is. The term PACE is an internal term for the College of Education, and basically, it is a practice version of the state certification exam that you will be required to complete once you have entered the Tech Teach program before you are approved to move into student teaching. To get to the study material, you will click the link that your advisor has provided to you, and this will bring you to the Texas Educator Certification Examination Program, and you will see preparation materials. When you scroll to the bottom, you will see a drop down that allows you to scroll down to multiple subjects. Now you are looking for the Texas exam, that is TEXES. And when you find Texas, you will see a list of concentrations and the concentration codes. Your concentration is listed at the top of your degree plan that your advisor has provided to you. So, for example, elementary students will use core subjects 4 through 8, 391. Once you have your concentration selected, you will click Go, and you will begin to see information for the core subjects EC through 6 391 preparation materials. Now, again, it's important to remember you are only using this information to study for the practice version of the state certification exam. So you will not sign up for anything on this website. You also will not pay anything on this website. The best material for you to study is listed right under test content and sample questions. You will see English, language, arts, and reading sample selected response questions. You will see the same thing for mathematics, social studies, science, fine arts, health, and physical education. So, this is really the information that's going to be best for you to use. So, to show you exactly what you're going to be looking at, we'll start off with let's go to science. Now, once you get to this page here, the best advice I can provide you is to print this entire page out, manually answer each question, and then go and view your answers. So, for example, on question one or competency one, which of the following is equivalent to 200 centimeters? And you have your answer options here: 2 millimeters, 20 millimeters, zero point 0.2 meter, or 2 meters. So once you have printed this out and manually answered every question that's on the page, go ahead and check your answers. And the great thing about these answers is that it shows you all of the options and it tells you that D is the correct option because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Therefore, 200 centimeters is equivalent to 2 meters. And then it tells you why all the other options are wrong. And that's important to know as well. So you will follow the same practices for all of the other subjects: math, history, English, and so on. Just print out the test, manually answer the questions, and then look at the answer options, and you'll begin to see a pattern of what you're doing well with and what you need to practice or study more on. Now, we have had some students say that they have purchased materials from other sites, and that's perfectly fine if that works for them. As advisors and as a college of education, we cannot really refer you to another site or recommend any other study material because this right here is proven to be the best tool for you to use when studying for your PACE exam. So I hope this really helps you out and good luck in studying for your PACE.